Welcome to all. Today I'm going to share my knowledge about the pump energy savings. So why this energy saving is very important? You know that nowadays the entire world is talking about the saving the energy. From that, in HVAC system, the pump also is consuming almost 20% of energy globally. So this is the huge potential to save the energy in pumping system. Most of the time, what happened, we are sizing the pump oversize or flow control has major energy conservation. You know that there is two types of connections are there. One is series connection, another one is parallel connection. So where you recommend the series connection and parallel connection. So when you need pump head is high and high pressure system, then you can recommend the series pump connections. Where you need higher flow rate and lower pump head, there you can recommend the parallel connection. The selection of the pump, it is based on the properties of fluid, and the temperature of the fluid. What is the pressure you need on the particular system and what is the flow rate. So the main concern to the to select the pump is the pressure as well as flow. The initial cost, maintenance cost, pumping layout. Based on that, you go to select the pump. In that, generally we choose the centrifugal type pump, right? So for that, when the project is designed for higher flow and low pump head, the less viscous also, you go to choose the centrifugal type pump. If the project is designed for low flow and high pump head, then you may go with the reciprocating pump. So this is the two types of pump generally we are using in our air conditioning application. From that, how we can save the energy. I'm telling you, there is the loss. So this is a fixed diameter of impeller. There is a law. Capacity of the pump is directly proportional to the speed, and the head is directly proportional to the square of the speed, and the pump power is directly proportional to the cube of the speed. So now we are talking about the power. Then you can imagine it, the cube of the time the power saving will be happen based on your proper design. If you are choosing the variable frequency drive of centrifugal pump, you can take example, the pump speed is now 3500 RPM and the delivering flow is the designed for 1100 LPM. The pump head is designed 88 meter. So this condition, that pump is consuming 26.5 kilowatt. Now I am going to reducing the pump speed. So 2900 RPM instead of 3500. What will happen? So the effect of flow is almost 911. The pump head is reducing 60 meter, that energy consumption 15 kilowatt. So why these changes is required? Now my project record only 911 LPM, but the design was 1100 LPM. So here it is oversized. So the pump was installed on the site. So how can I save the energy from this oversized pump? So if you are putting the VFD, then you go to reduce the speed of the pump from 3500 to 2900. You may reach your record flow rate. By the time the head also is reduced from 88 to 60, that power consumption is is also reduced in the system. So you can see based on that hours of operation, it may maybe 8,000 hours per year if the pump is running. Then you may go with the VFD system, or the flow variation is happen 30% above. That time also you can recommend the VFD, variable frequency drive system. So this calculation I will discuss in project base. Okay, that maybe it has happened in next videos. If the constant speed pump, what will happen? The capacity of the pump is directly proportional to the impeller diameter. So the head is directly proportional to the square of the impeller diameter, and the pumping power is directly proportional to the cube of the impeller diameter. You can see that now the impeller diameter is 11 inches. The power consumption is 10.5 kilowatt. The water flow delivering is 1135. Pump head is 34 meter. So now again the flow is oversized. So what will happen? I need only 928. So what I have to do? I have to reduce the impeller diameter from 11 to 9 inches. Then you can see that the pump head also it is reduced 22 from the 34, and the power consumption also 50% is energy saving is happened. So earlier it was consuming 10.5, now it is 5.7 only. So basically the design is happened oversize. So if oversizing, automatically the energy consumption also is going to high. So how to reduce that energy savings? Okay, using of the VFD. So this calculation I will teach you in our courses. Okay, if you want, you can reach our staffs. Okay, in entire HVAC system, how to design the system and how to save the energy. So everything you can easily learn by project base. Okay, so what are the courses we are offering in our institute? So HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, diploma or mechanical, whoever pass or paid, or you are in the field, you want to enhance your knowledge, you can join and enhance your knowledge, and you can implement your projects and you can grow in your career. So you can recommend to your friends also who are is not in job. You can recommend them to join the course and get the knowledge from the courses. And here we provide 100% placement to the uh, engineers. Okay, if they are pass or fail, that is not a matter. Okay, so if you have the knowledge, you can easily join anywhere, and you can able to work with who are qualified engineers. Okay, so that kind of knowledges we are sharing in our institute. Okay, so if you can't able to come directly, you can join online classes also. So you can reach these contact numbers, and if you want to share any particular clarification, you can send the mail to inquiry@innos.co.in or hr@innos.co.in. Thank you.